So in this video, I'm gonna discuss you of types of physical media. So the physical media is will be used here. Example standards copper as media are defined to the type of copper cabling used, bandwidth of communications, type of connectors used, pin out and colors codes of connection to the media, maximum distance of media. So in this figure, you can see a uh, different different connection that will be encounters in later chapter, like in when you configure, you will connect this in your configuration in the packet tracer. So we will be identify and will be analyze what is the different types of this. So first is SHDLS H SHDSL interface. So this one, and this fast internet switch ports, so like fast internet 0-1, 0 point internet 0-0, you will put here based on this. You cannot see the number of you will put here, and here is the switch and the management ports. This one, management ports. So gigabit, so we'll find when you console or configure, will put here the codes of gigabit internet interface, and these ones of USB type A connectors. We will use that. Proceed to the next topic. So characteristic of copper cabling. So there's a different types of copper cabling. So this is the pure digital signals. You can see the flow. They are correctly analyzed, and the flow, and to this interface signals, you can see in the figure, they are not transmitted correctly of the director and the destinations. Digital signals with interface, this will be happens of the time, and what computers read. So this one, change in signals to 1 0 1 1 0 0. We'll see that in this figure. So electromagnetic interface, EMI, or radio frequency interface, RFI, EMI, and RFI signals can distort and corrupt the data signals being carried by copper's media. Potential sources of EMI and RFI include radio waves, electromagnetic devices such as fluorescent lights of electronic motors. Second one is crosstalk. Crosstalk is the turbulence cause of electromagnetic fields of signals on wire, signals in adjacent wire. In the telephone circuits, crosstalk can result in hearing parts of another voice conversations from an adjacent circuit, especially when an electrical current flows through a wires and creates small circular magnetic fields around the wires while can be picked by adjacent one. So this all in this tutorials. So that's all. Thank you.